Myself Shivani Negi from class 9th of Himalayan English School, and my project name is Saving Our Environment and Biodiversity. We are three members in our project. Lucky Negi from class 9th of class 11th of Himalayan English School, Shivani Negi from class 9th, and Ritika Ramula from Saraswati Vidya Mandir of class 8th.
Hmm. Myself, Lucky Negi from class 11. From my early childhood, I was very keen to absorb nature, particularly the flowers, the birds, and the green forest. When I was 8 years old in 2013, there was a surf cloud bursting and rain in Uttarakhand with a great loss of people and property due to the landslide with Badrinath, Kedarnath, and our villages.
After 2 years, again near our village Jagnyali, there was a huge cloud burst in which within 2 hours several landslides occurred, destroying many people, animals, buildings, and cars. So I thought how we can reduce the minimize such problems. My teacher explained all these occurs due to deforestation.
And that's why we selected our topic related to the deforestation.
Let us discuss more about this topic. Our village Ghansali situated in district of Tiri Garhwal of Uttarakhand. Our block name is Bilangna. This is the photo of our village Ghansali, and this is the photo of our school, that is Himalayan English School.
There are problems in our area. The first problem is climate is changing very fast. It is because of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere absorb heat radiation. The second problem is that biodiversity is changing. It is mainly due to the human activities such as land use change, pollution, and climate change.
The third problem is water sources are drying. Global warming is one of the major reasons behind water scarcity. The fourth problem is temperature is going up each year. Global warming is the unusually rapid increase due to the greenhouse gases released as people burn fossil fuels.
From 2001 to 2021, Teri Gadwal lost 736 hectares of relative trees covers equivalent to the 100% decrease since 2000 and 40% of the global total.
In 2010, Gadwal regions was having 155 hectares forest, and up to the year 2021, we lost 26.96 hectare forest.
More than 50,000 trees cut down to make change Char Dham Yatra road in Uttarakhand. Every year it is going on regularly.
This is the picture of loss of trees due to forest fire every year in Uttarakhand, and this is the picture of forest fire destroyed forest. This is the picture of impact of deforestation in our Uttarakhand, and this is the picture of more cloud burst, and this one is the more landslides.
Here is the temperature increasing in our area. 38-degree temperature never changed in our village in past. Higher temperature impact on river Bilangna caused it drying.
Now we must do some immediate efforts to save our rivers, biodiversity, ecology, and our environment. Here is the idea to make our in our area greener. When we make it a movement incomplete, then more number of trees can be planted and grown. It may bring change in our ecology of our environment.
How to go ahead? We discussed this subject with our teachers who approached in school management. They identified the following group doing similar work in Karnataka. DNA Life is the name of that organization. These are the activities of DNA Life.
On 20 April 2023, an expert Dr. Tushar Joshi from DNA Life is visiting our school from Karnataka to guide us how to do plantation in our school and in our area. Himalayan English School and DNA Life are going to work together to do plantation in our school and in our area. We hope it will make the difference in our environment. Thank you.